Well, thousands of students study in this college, but for the last 4 days, not a single student has appeared. What is the reason? Here's more on the story.
The ESIT College, situated in electronic city of Bengaluru, is facing drainage water problem for the past 4 days. Sewage water has created havoc in the college premises. It is all due to a stormwater drain next to the college. Though the water has been drained, the misery continues. The sewage water submerged the college by 5 feet across its 15-acre campus. In spite of this incident having taken place 3 days ago, the draining out of water has not been completed yet.
Recovery operations are full progress ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. We were actually planned to open the college on Monday itself. ಅದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ತುಂಬೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಯೂಮಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನ. Otherwise, as far as a college or hostel or other MBA blocks are concerned, everything is usable and everything is okay. Some tanks have been cleaned, lifts are operational. So we have bounced back very fast. Within the 48 hours, we've been able to bounce back.
It has been decided that the college will be closed till Thursday. The entire college premises is smelling foul. In addition to this, vehicles have also to be repaired. Hostel students were brought out in boats from the hostel. Students studying here come from different states. Their parents are scared to send them to college from now on. The main reasons behind all this chaos are the farmers nearby. They block the flow of water in the stormwater drain by putting mud into it.
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯಗಳು ಬೆಳೆಗಳು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಕಾಲೇಜವರು ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ 1.5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಜಮೀನುಗಳು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ರೈತರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಧ್ವಾನ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಪಾಪ ಏನು ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
The farmers allege that the PES college committee grabbed their part of the land. If the college continues to give them problem, then they will not allow the flow of water into the lake. A meeting has been fixed between the villagers and the college committee. A unanimous decision will be taken, but the villagers are yet to take a decision on this problem. Maltesh for News 9.